Hello. Today we are playing the Prophet Velen, this one right here, combo. It's a known combo and there's a lot of different versions of this deck out there. I've tried to put as much draw as I could into this deck. I have a lot of Akyurt of Pain, and the trick is to get the Prophet Velen down and then copy it once or twice, depending on how many Mind Blast you have. So we see here we have this one that copies a unit, copies a minion, and that could be the Prophet Velen, and Prophet Velen doubles up the damage and healing powers of the spells and the hero power. So that means that if we have a Mind Blast like this, then first we double it once, then it's 10, then we double it twice, then it's 20. Of course, then if we double it once again, then it's 40. But of course, if we have 2 of the Mind Blast, then it's the same effect. But we need to get some discount. We can get this discount many ways. This is actually more to get where we want to be, the Radiant Element, but that gives some discount. But we also have the Fate Weaver right here. If we have invoked twice, then we get some discount to all of our cards by 1. And of course, this is a Galakrond. This is the Galakrond version of this deck right here. That means that we also have Galakrond in the deck, and also this Dragonhoof to clear the board, because usually we will be in the defense. We just want to drag the game a little bit so we can get our combo down. Here we also have the Emperor to give us some discount on our cards, and I've also added, and this might not be a good idea, but I added Insight, which draws a minion, and then we can reduce its cost by 2. That means that we draw a minion, and then we get a discount of 2 if this card is corrupt. So there's a lot of cards which just cycles, and where we can just get through the deck. Let's see how it went.
Your blood. Right away.
So let's see if we can manage to get the right cards. And of course, Mind Blasts is one of the right cards. Need to make them cheaper with the Dragon right here, the Fate Weaver. And then of course we need the Prophet Velen right here. We need to copy that with the Gift of Luminance. So let's see what we can do here.
Right away. Your blood.
In order to use the Fate Weaver, then we need to invoke twice. That means we need to use some of the invoke cards, like the card I just used right here, Time Rip. It's a good invoke card. This is also an invoke card here. Maniac. We also have the Orison to make our cards cheaper.
What to do?
It's actually good for our combo, but it's not good for... It also helps the opponent, of course.
I will act as your scale.
Yeah, we need to get rid of at least one
What
card.
is Elun's will? Get me out of here!
I am beyond imagination.
He's getting a lot of armor. That's a bit annoying. We need to chip some of that away.
I'll make you a real toy.
By the power of Ragnaros, I have the power! The hungry will rise again. I am the spell. You are too late. His return is nigh.
Your head isn't as empty as it looks.
Job's done. My hand is too full. I'm almost out of cards. I'm out of cards.
We are all bound to fate.
I almost have enough actually. Just chip some of that away. Can make one duplicate, right? It's not 40, then. So what happens if I do this?
Are lost. I can see.
Yes! I'm so happy. Concede victory is always the best one. So, oh, that was a good victory. He knew what was coming. We would duplicate the damage twice, right? And then he would be dead anyway. So...
Tranda! versus Morgo.
A loon give me strength.
Let's see if we can get to it this time. It is quite difficult. There's so many aggressive decks. So.
Let the pain speak to me. Bring the pain.
I want to play these two cards together. Maybe next turn. We also have Hysteria. Ah, that's some beating.
Bring the pain.
So. I need somehow to heal up again. This.
Is someone injured?
Thy blood be born again.
Yeah. Not good.
Right away. Your blood.
Job done.
Who's up for an adventure?
Ouch. It could be something. Yeah, that's not good. So we need to do this, right? What? You should run out this card, yeah.
The path is clear for the worthy.
Job done.
I am beyond imagination. Succumb to madness. Bask in the light.
You don't want him to leave. That's also a problem, right? It's not good, but we did not get the combo down.
Mummy needs 5 more minutes.
Should have started with that. Yeah.
We are all bound to fate.
Let's see if he has 12 damage. No, it doesn't. So
Just a pinch of vigor.
Pain and suffering await
Be the best spirit.
we should have gotten a taunt. Not that good.
I give up.
No, he gave up. I want to run a combo. Okay, but it still counts. It counts. It was a combo. It was the threat of combo. That's why he gave up, right?